In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TurboTax Canada to CRA Autofill My Return. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the TurboTax Canada website and sign in to your account if needed. Make sure you are in the correct return before continuing, especially if you manage more than one tax file. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help avoid confusion later. After you are inside TurboTax Canada, look for the CRA Autofill My Return section. This feature is designed to save time by securely importing tax information that the Canada Revenue Agency already has on file. It can help reduce manual entry and make the process more accurate, since some of your tax slips and other details may already be available through CRA. When you find the Autofill My Return area, select the option that says Connect to CRA. This will begin the secure linking process between TurboTax and your CRA My account. Depending on your browser settings, a secure sign-in window may appear as a pop-up or a separate tab. If nothing appears right away, check whether Chrome is blocking pop-ups and allow the secure window to open so you can continue. In the secure CRA sign-in window, log in using your CRA My account credentials. Be sure to enter your information only in the official secure CRA login page. This step is important because it verifies your identity and gives permission for TurboTax to access the available tax data connected to your account. If you use multi-factor authentication, keep your device nearby so you can complete any additional verification prompts without delay. Once you successfully sign in, follow the on-screen prompts to link the accounts. After the connection is complete, TurboTax can begin retrieving eligible tax information from CRA. Give it a moment to load and read any confirmation messages carefully so you know the connection has gone through properly. As a final tip, even after your information is imported, it is still a good idea to review everything for accuracy. Autofill can save a lot of time, but you should always confirm that the imported